A very fresh morning to all my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class. Students, today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Students, in this chapter we will learn the basic concepts of geometry. These concepts will help us to study the different shapes and figures used in geometry. So, let's begin with the study of basic elements. Point. A point is a mark of position or location on a plane. It has no length, no breadth, and no height. That is, it is zero-dimensional. For example, the tip of a toothpick, needle, or pencil. A point is represented by a capital letter like A, B, C, etc. For example, this is point P. Thus, we can say that a point gives an idea of a location and is marked as a dot. It has no length, breadth or thickness. It has just a position and only its location can be determined. A full stop is a dot, and that is the simplest example of a point. Line. A line is a set of points that extends endlessly in both the directions. A line has only length and has no width or thickness. It has no endpoints. It has no fixed length. A line is denoted by the given symbol. For example, a crease in a paper, a stress string. A line can be named in two ways, by a single small letter. For example, this is line P, or by any 2 points on it. For example, this is line AB. Thus, we can say that a line is a straight path that extends indefinitely in both directions. It has no endpoints. It has no definite length and it is one-dimensional. Line segment. A line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints. A line segment has definite length but no breadth or no thickness. That is, it is one-dimensional. For example, edge of a ruler. The endpoints of a line segment are used to name it. For example, this is line segment AB. In the above example, the line segment is the length between the 2 points A and B. it is written as line segment AB or BA. Ray. A ray is also a part of a line. It has only one endpoint and can be extended endlessly in the other direction. A ray has no breadth or thickness. For example, sun rays, beam of torch, etc. A ray is denoted by a given symbol. For example, this is ray AB. It shows that the path of the ray is from a fixed point A to B. When we consider a ray of light from the sun to the earth, A is a fixed point on the sun and B is any point on earth. Thus, we can say that a ray is a part of a line which starts from a fixed point and extends endlessly only in one direction. Thus, a ray has one endpoint, like a ray has no definite length. Thus, we cannot measure the length of a ray. Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Use the figure to name. Students, in this question, we have to name 5 points, 1 line, 4 rays, and 5 line segments. And in order to name 5 points, line segments, and 4 rays, you have to observe the given figure very carefully. And you have to write 5 points, 1 line, 4 rays, and 5 line segments. So, let us observe the figure very carefully and write the answers. Sum A. 5 points are point B, point E, point O, point B, and point C. Now, sum B. A line is line BD. Now, sum C. 4 rays are ray OE, ray OD, ray OB, and ray OC. Now, sum D. 5 line segments are line segment DE, line segment EO, line segment OB, line segment OC, and line segment BE. Now, question number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Students, in this question, we have to write the name of a line in all 12 possible ways, and we have to use only 2 letters amongst given 4 letters at a time. So, let us write the names of the lines in all the possible 12 ways. using 2 letters at a time. Thus, 12 possible lines are line AB, line AC, line AD, line BA, line BC, line BD, line CA, line CB, line CD, line DA, line DB and line DC.